Sailing is a great and ancient pleasure, a way to connect with the sea. Peaceful and full of quiet challenge, it can be a gentle glide across a sunlit bay, or an active dance with the elements. To begin this journey, you must first learn to understand the most fundamental force of all, the wind. The wind is your engine. The wind is your fuel. The wind is the invisible power that will move your boat across the water. Without understanding it, you are merely a passenger. By learning to read it, you become the skipper. This is the very first step, the foundation upon which all other sailing skills are built. Before you even step aboard, take a moment to observe. Stand on the shore, on a dock, or on the deck of your boat, and simply feel the breeze on your face. Look at the flags on the flagpoles. Are they fluttering gently or snapping straight out? Watch the surface of the water. Is it glassy? Are there small ripples or even whitecaps forming? These are all clues, messages from the wind telling you its direction and its strength. You must learn that a sailboat cannot sail directly into the wind, a zone we call the no-sail zone, or being in irons. The moment you can point and say with confidence, "The wind is coming from there," you have learned the first and most important secret of sailing. This awareness is not a one-time check. It is a constant conversation. The wind can shift by a few degrees or a great deal. It can strengthen or die down, leaving you to drift calmly. Once you know where the wind is coming from, you can learn how to position your boat relative to it. These different angles are called the points of sail. Imagine a clock face with the wind coming from 12 o'clock. You cannot sail between 11 and 1 o'clock. At about 2 o'clock is close hauled, the closest you can get to the wind. At 3 o'clock, with wind on your side, is a beam reach. Further away, toward 4 or 5, is a broad reach. With wind directly behind, at 6 o'clock, you are running. Knowing these terms improves communication and feel. Each point of sail needs a specific sail trim. Your sails act like wings, creating lift to pull the boat forward. When in doubt, let it out. Ease until the front edge just luffs, then trim in to stop the flapping. Flapping loses power. Too tight can stall the sail. Find the quiet, efficient middle. Your first days should be about building confidence, not breaking speed records. Start slow and small. Pick light, steady wind, and a wide, open patch of water. Choose a simple boat. Avoid big, complex rigs. Give yourself space and time to make decisions. Do not learn in strong winds or crowded harbors. Use the tiller or wheel gently. Small movements go a long way. Oversteering makes the boat wobble and slows you down. Make a small adjustment, then wait for the response. Boats often keep turning for a moment after you center the helm. A gentle touch keeps a steady, comfortable, and efficient course. Learn how to tack and jibe safely. Before tacking, alert your crew. Say, "Ready to tack?" Then call, "Tacking," and turn smoothly. In a jibe, control the boom. It can swing with force. Sailing involves a lot of rope, or line as we say. First, the cleat hitch. Secure, quick to tie, easy to release. Practice until it is second nature. Next, the bowline, a fixed loop that will not slip or jam, yet unties easily after heavy load. Lastly, the figure 8 knot, a stopper to keep lines from running out of blocks. Always check a marine forecast, wind speed, direction, tides, and any small craft advisories. Weather changes fast. A sunny morning can turn rain-swept and gusty. Dark, low, fast-moving clouds can signal an approaching squall. If conditions worsen or you feel uneasy, do not be a hero. Head back early. Safety first. Wear a life jacket and carry required gear. Sound signal, flares, throwable device. Tell someone your plan and ETA. Build confidence trip by trip. Focus on one skill each outing. Read the wind, set your sails, steer gently, keep lookout, master knots, respect weather.